We're taking a look now at a vintage Homelite 150 automatic. A 100% complete Homelite 150 automatic. No damage to broken cases. An original Homelite bar with a chain that is in excellent condition. Probably will need a little touch-up sharpening, but an excellent chain. It pulls over with amazing compression. It has great spark. Unfortunately, this sat for many years as a display, and it won't currently run. You will need to install new fuel lines, clean, or possibly rebuild the carburetor. With those things addressed, you will definitely have yourself a really great running saw. Folks, act now. Don't hesitate, because when it's gone, and it won't be in your collection. Poof! Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.